Are you interested in a trade or industry-based class? Then let's fly on down to the Dr. James A. Forrest Career and Technology Center. Here, we offer a variety of classes including 1, 2, and 3-year programs, and 5 elective classes.
2-year programs. These are our 2-year programs.
Automotive Refinishing and Repair. This program covers repair estimates, metal fabrication, welding processes, metal preparation, finishing techniques, cleaning methods, paint evaluation, and paint mixing. Students will apply personal and environmental safety skills as part of their instruction. Students will practice on and repair actual vehicles in the Forrest Center's body shop to meet industry specifications. Students will prepare for apprenticeships within the local industry during this course. Typical jobs in this field include refinishing technician, collision parts or tools distributor, custom painter or fabricator, and damage estimator.
Never thought I would come in here and learn one thing that I thought I would do for the rest of my life.
Automotive Technology. The Automotive Technology program incorporates the Automotive Service Excellency Education Foundation ASEEF standards. These standards include suspension and steering, brakes, electrical and electronic systems, engine performance, engine repair, HVAC, automatic transmission and transaxle, and the manual drivetrain. Students who pursue automotive technology may want to pursue opportunities at car dealerships, independent shops, manufacturers, fleet services, and automotive part distributors.
Carpentry. Students will learn about a wide variety of tools and machines to help make blueprints come to life. To assist in this, students will learn blueprint reading, framing, related mathematics, material specifications, estimating, and site preparation. Carpenters construct, erect, install, or repair structures and fixtures made of wood and comparable materials, such as concrete forms. They build frameworks including partitions, joists, studs and rafters, wood stairways, window and door frames, and hardwood floors. Jobs in this field include woodworker, carpenter, cabinet installer, mill worker installers, industrial maintenance technician.
Certified Clinical Medical Assisting. Students in this program explore the profession of medical assisting and prepare to work in the field of healthcare. This program uses project and problem-based learning, hands-on experiences, and classroom lab instruction to provide students with the opportunity to develop healthcare skills and knowledge. After completing this course, students are eligible to take the National Health Career Association's certification exam for Certified Clinical Medical Assisting. Medical assistants are multi-skilled allied healthcare professionals who work under the supervision of physicians or other healthcare professionals in medical offices and other outpatient settings. Medical assistants are cross-trained to perform both administrative and clinical tasks. Jobs that use the skills covered in this program include medical assistant, certified nurse assistant, phlebotomist, lab technician, registered nurse, and many more.
Computer-aided drafting design, CAD. Computer-aided drafting design, or CAD, provides technical hand-drawing skills and computer programs such as AutoCAD, Blender, SolidWorks, and Revit, all of which provide students the opportunity to earn CSM college credits and program certifications right here in the classroom. Students will also use their own prototypes designed in the CAD program to learn and implement 3D printing and laser cutting skills on our very own 3D printers and laser cutters. CAD teaches the essential skills necessary to have a successful career as a mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, civil engineer, generalized engineer, drafter, and more.
Criminal justice. Students in this program are provided with insight into the criminal justice system, law enforcement, and the court correctional systems. Other topics include, but are not limited to, constitutional law, criminal law, traffic law, juvenile law, and crime scene investigations. Students will be required to participate in uniform inspections, physical training, and mock scenarios. This program will include report writing scenarios, hands-on activities, and research projects. The criminal justice field has many career options beyond being a police officer. Other career choices include criminal psychologist, criminal analyst, paralegal, lawyer, criminal profiler.
The program that you pick doesn't define your career path. This is just something that you're interested in, so take this as a learning experience.
Culinary arts. Culinary arts teaches students the skills needed for practical training in all aspects of entry-level food preparation service. This includes an in-depth study of operation management, food production, garnishing, record keeping, purchasing, and an introduction to baking. After completing this program, students can get a variety of jobs, including prep chef, pastry chef, food stylist, restaurant owner, and more.
Dental assisting. This program will introduce students to dental assisting careers as well as careers that are associated with the dental office. Students will develop knowledge and skills with regard to patient medical history intake and update, safety in the dental office and lab settings, and sterilization procedures, as well as dental treatment tray preparation and oral evacuation positions for various treatments. This course covers the 9 dental specialties and what treatment each specialist provides, oral hygiene and radiology techniques, dental insurance coding, and post-operative patient instruction. Students will have the opportunity to earn the privilege to participate in field experiences. The Dental Assistant Program is approved by the Maryland Dental Association. Jobs in this field include sterilization assistant, certified dental assistant, registered dental hygienist, general dentist, dental specialist, and more.
My most valuable experience will be actually interning at the dental offices. In dental assisting, once you make it to your second year of your program, we get to go out to actual dental offices and shadow assistants. It is so cool.
Diesel technology. This medium-heavy truck technician program combines technical, academic, and workplace skills in accordance with all Automotive Service Excellence Education Foundation, ASEEF, guidance and directives. Students will learn about workplace employability skills, diesel engines, drivetrains, suspension and steering, brakes, electronic systems, HVAC, cab, and hydraulics. Upon completion of this program, students may take ASE entry-level medium-heavy truck exams. The program prepares students for further education and careers in transportation, medium-heavy truck, and equipment industry. These careers may include diesel technician, heavy equipment mechanic, diesel maintenance manager, service manager, and more.
Digital media production. Digital media production explores the history of radio and television. Through hands-on learning, students gain the skills to create a variety of authentic video projects, from script writing to shooting video to editing. This is a communication program requiring team collaboration, writing, and public interaction. Jobs using the skills learned in this program include public information and marketing specialists, broadcast journalists, corporate and governmental media producers, and social media coordinators. Fine Arts Credit and CSM dual enrollment are available during the second year.
Electrical wiring. Students in the electrical wiring program will learn about simple circuits used in everyday homes and buildings. They can earn certifications for NCCR core curriculum and electrical level 1, as well as certifications in first aid, CPR, confined space entry, and OSHA 10 construction safety. Students will have the opportunity to design and construct their own electrical circuits, as well as other advanced projects. They may also apply for an approved apprenticeship where they can earn credits and get paid during the school day. Career fields include commercial electrician, electrical engineer, or even low voltage technician.
Engineering. The engineering program prepares students for entry into a 2 or 4-year college engineering program. It will apply problem-solving techniques and concepts of mechanical drafting and CAD, 3D design and modeling, coding for robotics, reverse engineering, and G-code along with other engineering innovations. They will also learn project management skills and how to operate workshop tools, understand material usage resources, organize information processing, and decipher system analysts. Students who earn engineering degrees go on to work in many different fields as electrical, mechanical, structural, civil, chemical, and aerospace engineers.
Some of the skills that I can apply from engineering are the basic knowledge of tools and power tools, because for me personally, I haven't really used tools outside of engineering, and having that basic knowledge, even if I don't pursue a engineering type degree, is very important when working just at my house or in a workshop.
Graphic communications. Concepts taught in this course include graphic design, electronic and traditional printing, publishing, packaging, digital imaging, portfolio development, digital photography, t-shirt design and production, and sign making. This program helps prepare students for careers such as graphic designer, marketing designer, web developer, screen printing, pre-press operator, and many more.
Hospitality and tourism. This course allows students to explore the global industry of hospitality and tourism, which includes lodging, travel, meeting planning, attractions, and related careers. Students will earn certification and practice good customer service. At the end of the program, students will have the necessary skills to enter the job market or further their education at a post-secondary institution. Travel and tourism is a wide industry, include careers such as travel consultant, hotel manager, event planner, public relations manager, and corporate travel coordinator.
IT Networking Academy. This 2-year program teaches students extensively about computer systems. Students will gain knowledge of hardware, software, cabling, mobile devices, networking, IP addressing, as well as a variety of networking tools. Students will also be instructed on how to plan network architectures. Students enrolled in the 2-year program may choose to continue on to take the cybersecurity elective. IT Networking Academy prepares students for entry-level acceptance into an information technology field of their choosing, such as network support tech, help desk technician, IT support specialist, and junior cybersecurity analyst.
Manufacturing Engineering Technology. The Manufacturing Engineering Technology program teaches machining techniques and processes, design, quality control, material handling, manufacturing processes, electronics, G-code, and mechanical systems. Students completing this program will have the opportunity to apply for local apprenticeships or jobs in manufacturing, CAD or CAM, and design, or continue on to a 4-year MET college program.
Natural Resources Management. Students in this course learn about our planet from A to Z, atmosphere to zoology, learning by doing, spending class time not just in seats, but in animal care lab and outside in nature, using professional level tools and equipment to explore, measure, and understand the natural world. Students study all different elements that come together to make ecosystems work so that they can keep the ecosystems healthy for the future. Students can take these skills into jobs as wildlife researchers, natural resource police, foresters, marine biologists, erosion and sediment control managers, and many more.
Teacher Academy of Maryland. The Teacher Academy of Maryland program offers students who want to become teachers or who are interested in the education profession a rigorous and hands-on program that covers human growth and development, teaching as a profession, the foundations of curriculum and instruction, as well as providing students with a student teaching internship. Students are guided through the process of what it takes to be a teacher through a program that offers real classroom experiences. The Teacher Academy is an excellent program for students interested in working with children or youth in any educational career. This can include substitute teachers, daycare workers or owners, coaches, instructional resource teachers, or school administrators. Welding. This program is based on the national standards of the American Welding Society curriculum. Students receive the instruction and training necessary to safely acquire skills in shielded metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, oxyacetylene cutting, CNC plasma arc cutting, and manual plasma arc cutting. Additionally, students will receive instruction in computer-aided drafting and blueprint reading. The program also covers the safe use of hand tools. Students will have the opportunity to fabricate various projects. Students completing this course can obtain work as a structural steel welder, shop welder/fabricator, construction site welder, or pipe welder helper. Here are our 1-year programs.
Emergency Medical Technician, EMT. This intensive 1-year program provides comprehensive emergency medical technician (EMT) training covering various critical areas such as rescue operations, medical emergencies, and vehicle extrication. Students will be expected to wear the uniforms and personal protective equipment (PPE) daily. It is also mandatory for the students to become an active member of a local firehouse or rescue squad. Upon successfully completing this course, graduates will be prepared for a range of career paths, including but not limited to roles as an EMT, emergency room technician, surgical technician, contractual EMT for businesses, and more. To apply for this program, students must be at least a rising 11th grader and 16 years old by November 15th. Students aspiring to become a career firefighter should be prepared to pursue both the fire rescue and EMT pathways. as paid firefighters must be cross-trained and possess an EMT certification before being hired. Preference will be granted to seniors enrolling in the second course in preparation to cross-train for a career in firefighting.
Fire Rescue. This intensive one-year program provides comprehensive training in fire and rescue, exposing students to all facets of the field, including live fire exercises, rescue operations, and vehicle extrication. Participants will be expected to wear uniforms and personal protective equipment (PPE) daily. It is also mandatory for the student to become an active member of a local firehouse or rescue squad. Upon successful completion of the program, students will be well prepared for various career paths, including opportunities to volunteer with the fire company. To apply for this program, students must be at least a rising 11th grader and 16 years old by September 1st. Students must also have a mandatory physical signed by a physician prior to the start of class in August. Students aspiring to become career firefighters should be prepared to pursue both the fire, rescue, and EMS pathways, as paid firefighters must be cross-trained and possesses an EMT certification before being hired. Preference will be granted to seniors enrolling in the second course in preparation to cross-train for a career in firefighting. Here's our 3-year program. Academy of Health Professions. Various skills and knowledge necessary in the healthcare field will be taught, including anatomy and physiology. This program provides students with classroom instruction, labs, and clinical experiences. Students can earn entry-level certifications for healthcare careers, such as phlebotomist and certified nursing assistant, CNA. Students who complete this course may go on to a 2- or 4-year college to study many healthcare careers, such as physician, phlebotomist, nursing, rehab medicine, and veterinary science.
Elective classes. These are our 1-year elective classes which do not fulfill graduation pathways.
ATEX. Applied Technology Exploration, or ATEX, is a 2-credit elective course offered to 9th and 10th grade students. Throughout the year, students will have the opportunity to participate in in-depth exploration of 4 programs offered at the Tech Center. Students explore a different program each marking period, 4 in total. All SMCPS 8th and 9th grade students may apply using the ATEX online application, which opens in March. Students will identify 6 programs they are interested in exploring, and they will be placed in 4 of them. Acceptance will be based on grades, attendance, and discipline record. Courses are subject to availability.
3D Animation and Video Game Design. This course is an introductory level course covering the planning, management, and principles of 3D modeling for animation and video game design processes. Students will learn the language of design, how to judge design, its execution, resources for further design studies, storytelling, and creative writing. Cybersecurity. This course teaches the fundamental principles of identifying IT security risk and implementing security controls. Additionally, students will learn through hands-on experiences and practical scenarios. The course prepares students to sit for the CompTIA Security Plus certification. Preference will be granted to seniors who have completed the 2-year IT networking program.
Digital audio podcasting. Digital audio podcasting introduces students to audio podcasting and internet radio. Students will experience script writing, announcing, voice acting, and digital audio editing. This class counts as a fine arts credit and may be repeated for credit, and can be used as a 3rd course for the digital media production program.
Introduction to Human Anatomy and Physiology. Learn the structure and function of human body systems. This is taught using classroom, lab, and clinical experiences. Students may earn college credits. For more information, visit our website at tech.smcps.org or call us at 301-475-0242. We're located between Leonardtown High School and Leonardtown Middle School at 24005 Point Lookout Road, Leonardtown, Maryland 20650. See you soon!